Today we're showing you a 1954 Citroen Traction Avant. The restoration was completed with just about 2,000 kilometers on it since it was completed. It was a California car originally. This current owner purchased it in 2012, undertook the restoration, finished it a few years later, but he purchased it from the original owner who took delivery of the car in France in 1954, drove it around Europe for a few months, and then brought it back to California. So this has been the recipient of a full restoration. The paint still shows very nicely. There are a couple very minor chips. There's a little tiny one right here, and there's a little area in the door jamb right here where I think it may have made contact initially when they were restoring it. The interior looks great. I will point out a couple of the imperfections. There's a small hole right here, something got poked into it, and then a larger hole right here next to the dome light. The stitching is starting to come apart a little bit right here. It looks like it's just stretched. That may have happened while they were installing it. And there's a little bit of a water stain or something in this back seat. You can see the ring of it right around here. I don't know if they spilled something on it or what it is, but the car does not leak. There's no other signs of water coming in anywhere. Walked around looking for minor imperfections, and I've had a very difficult time finding anything. There's a little tiny spot right here that looks like may have just been in the paint when they painted it. A little paint drip. There was also a very small chip in the paint right here underneath the front hood latch. And I'll give you a quick view of the engine compartment. Again, very stock restoration. That said, we'll go ahead and we'll do a driving video shortly.